Thank you for viewing this home brought to you by the Abner Realty Group. With nearly 5,000 total square feet, this custom-built 5-bedroom, 3 full-bath home sitting on nearly 4 acres in the top-ranked Mount Vernon School District, has room for everyone. The main level has a great split floor plan with a large master suite, including double vanity, jetted tub, standalone shower and large walk-in closet. There are 2 other large bedrooms, full bath, living room west/fireplace, dining room, eat-in kitchen, laundry room and sunroom on the main level. Upstairs you will find 2 more bedrooms, a full bath, loft area, and a huge bonus room. Still need more room? The 1,200 square feet basement is just waiting to be finished and is plumbed for